Hello everyone, magandang oras sa ating lahat. Welcome to my videos. Maraming salamat sa panonood at lalo na sa mga nag-subscribe. Thank you guys. At kung bago ka pa lang dito sa aking videos, huwag kalimutan mag-like, comment, share, and subscribe para updated ka sa aking mga bagong upload na mga videos na mayroong mga gandang kasaysayan at talaga tungkol sa ating mga barya. Guys, continue tayo guys tungkol sa ating history dito sa ating Things and Times ng France guys. Tayo number 7 guys, page 7. Lancastrian was 1425. A certain degree of peace achieved at the start of the 15th century helped settle the value of the French currency. After the 1422, the gross of 1 sol parisis was minted at 96 to French mark 3/4 fine. Hence 1.912 grams per gross, while the echo of 20 sols parisis was minted at 64 to a French mark 22 and 1/2 carats of 15 and 16 fine. Hence 3.585 gross or grams per echo. The gross and the echo conferred favorably with the England's 2 pence coin of 1.8 grams silver and 40 hens, 1/6 of the pound. Half noble coin of 3.48 grams gold, resulting in an approximate exchange rate of 1 pound sterling to 6 livres parisis. Pence and Bulgarian Netherlands after the 1420s also resulted in the 1434 realignment of the Flemish monetary system, where the French slavery, the new Flemish guilder found of 20 Stuyver shilling contained 32.6 grams fine silver and was approximately par with the livre parisis of 20 sols, 38.24 grams. Such parities between the French livres to the Flemish and English currencies would persist up to the 1560s and would facilitate the issues of identical coin denomination across this country.